Imagine a technology you use almost every day without even thinking about it. Wireless headphones, smartwatches, speakers, keyboards, car hands-free systems, game controllers, and fitness trackers all communicate without cables using Bluetooth. What appears simple on the surface is actually a highly advanced wireless communication system designed to transfer data quickly, reliably, and with very low power consumption. But how does Bluetooth actually work? At its core, Bluetooth uses radio waves to transmit information wirelessly. The technology operates mainly within the 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, which is also used by Wi-Fi networks, microwave ovens, and many other wireless systems. Instead of sending electrical signals through cables, Bluetooth devices exchange digital information through electromagnetic waves traveling through the air. When two Bluetooth devices connect, they first go through a process called pairing. During pairing, the devices exchange identification information, establish security keys, and create trusted communication rules. Once the connection is established, the devices can automatically reconnect in the future without repeating the entire setup process. One of the most important features of Bluetooth is that it does not stay on a single radio frequency continuously. Instead, it uses a system called frequency hopping. Bluetooth rapidly switches between many different frequency channels, often changing frequencies thousands of times per second. This greatly reduces interference from other wireless devices and improves connection stability. If you like similar educational content, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. Another major advantage of Bluetooth is its low energy consumption. The technology was specifically designed for battery-powered devices communicating over relatively short distances. Modern Bluetooth chips, therefore, allow wireless earbuds, smartwatches, sensors, and portable devices to operate for many hours or even days using very small batteries. Once Bluetooth devices are paired, the actual data transmission process begins. Bluetooth transfers information using small packets of digital data. These packets may contain music for wireless headphones, keyboard inputs, smartwatch notifications, sensor readings, or commands between connected devices. The devices continuously send and receive these small blocks of information in a highly organized communication system. Traditionally, Bluetooth networks used a structure where one device acted as the central controller, while the others operated as peripheral devices. For example, a smartphone often functions as the main controlling device, while wireless earbuds, smartwatches, or fitness trackers act as connected peripherals responding to commands and exchanging information. Bluetooth must constantly balance several major challenges at the same time: transmission speed, connection stability, power efficiency, and latency. If you are listening to music through wireless headphones, the sound must arrive almost instantly. Even small delays between audio and video would feel unnatural and distracting. Because of this, Bluetooth uses specialized audio compression systems called codecs. Some of the most widely used Bluetooth audio codecs include SBC, AAC, aptX, and LDAC. These codecs determine how audio data is compressed, transmitted, and reconstructed between devices. More advanced codecs can provide higher sound quality or lower latency, although they may require more processing power or energy consumption. Modern Bluetooth technology exists in several different versions, each improving speed, range, reliability, and efficiency. One of the biggest advancements was Bluetooth Low Energy, often called BLE. This mode was specifically designed for devices that need to operate for very long periods on tiny batteries. BLE is commonly used in smartwatches, fitness trackers, medical sensors, smart home systems, and tracking devices similar to AirTags. One of the biggest technical challenges for Bluetooth is signal interference. Because Bluetooth operates in the same 2.4 gigahertz frequency range as Wi-Fi networks and many other wireless systems, the radio spectrum in crowded environments can become extremely congested. In cities, offices, airports, and apartment buildings, countless wireless devices compete for the same communication space simultaneously. This is one reason why Bluetooth relies heavily on frequency hopping technology. Devices continuously switch communication channels extremely rapidly, automatically avoiding crowded or noisy frequencies. If interference appears on one channel, the system immediately moves communication to another part of the spectrum. This dynamic channel switching helps maintain stable wireless connections even in environments filled with electronic devices. Security is also a critical part of Bluetooth communication. During pairing, devices generate encryption keys used to protect transmitted data. Modern Bluetooth standards use advanced encryption and authentication systems to prevent unauthorized access or eavesdropping. However, various Bluetooth security attacks have existed over the years, including techniques such as bluejacking and blue snarfing, which targeted poorly secured devices. Latency is another major concern, especially for gaming, video streaming, or wireless audio. If Bluetooth audio arrives too slowly, users may notice lip-sync problems between video and sound. Modern Bluetooth versions and advanced codecs are constantly improving latency performance to make wireless audio feel nearly instantaneous. Bluetooth technology is also used far beyond headphones and speakers. Modern automobiles use Bluetooth for hands-free calling, wireless music streaming, smartphone integration, and even keyless vehicle access systems. Medical devices, industrial sensors, smart home systems, and IoT infrastructure also rely heavily on Bluetooth communication. One of the greatest strengths of Bluetooth is its universality. The technology is now integrated into nearly every modern smartphone, laptop, television, vehicle, gaming console, and smart device. Because Bluetooth follows global communication standards, devices made by completely different manufacturers can still communicate with each other without cables or complicated configuration. Miniaturization of electronics played a major role in Bluetooth's success. Modern Bluetooth chips are extremely small, inexpensive, and highly energy efficient. They can be integrated into wireless earbuds, smartwatches, fitness trackers, medical devices, industrial sensors, and countless other products. Some Bluetooth low-energy systems can even operate for years on a single small battery. Bluetooth technology also continues evolving rapidly. Newer standards provide faster transmission speeds, lower latency, greater range, and improved audio quality. One of the biggest recent developments is LE Audio, which introduces a new audio codec called LC3. This technology can deliver higher audio quality while consuming less power than many older Bluetooth audio systems. LE Audio also enables entirely new features. Multiple users may eventually share the same audio stream simultaneously, and devices may support far more flexible wireless audio configurations. Future Bluetooth systems will likely become even more efficient, intelligent, and adaptable. Another massive area of growth is the Internet of Things, often called IoT. Millions of smart devices inside homes, factories, hospitals, and cities rely on Bluetooth low-energy communication. Smart lighting systems, security sensors, wearable devices, industrial monitoring systems, and automation technologies increasingly depend on low-power wireless communication networks built around Bluetooth technology. The future of Bluetooth will likely become even more connected with smart homes, wearable devices, medical technologies, industrial automation, and the Internet of Things. As the number of wireless sensors and connected devices continues growing, energy efficiency, security, and large-scale device coordination will become increasingly important. Location tracking and positioning technologies are also evolving rapidly. Modern Bluetooth systems can estimate device distance and signal direction with surprisingly high precision. Technologies such as Bluetooth direction finding enable indoor navigation, asset tracking, warehouse automation, and lost device detection systems. At the center of the entire technology remains a relatively elegant idea. Devices exchange small packets of digital information using radio waves within the 2.4 gigahertz frequency spectrum, while constantly switching between communication channels. From the combination of electromagnetic waves, wireless networking, digital communication, electronics, and software engineering emerged a technology that now wirelessly connects much of the modern world.